Okay. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, voice is clear.
Okay, so I simply share my screen. Okay, see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see here, just I calculated this NDWI from the Modis, and this is same way. So just you can filter, import, filter, and reduce, get the mean result. Okay, and you can also export this image, and I already show you the how you can easily export this image. So any question in here or not? Then I will go to my next slide. Any question or any doubt? Anyone?
I think you can proceed.
Okay. So I go to my slide. So in this time I will try to discuss some of the research and project work using the Google Earth Engine platform. So that's why you can also understand what's the how you can easily use this Google Earth Engine platform and what you can get this result from here. So first of all I will try to discuss you. So you can see here, this is the web application for getting this NDVI chart over a period of time in Bangladesh, and anyone can using this web application from this link and get this result from here. So this is the for the another courses for our another advanced courses for web application using the Google Earth Engine platform. So after completing this beginners course, if you want, you can also join our web application for Google Earth Engine course. And you can see this is the another task for the web application. So mainly in this web application, anyone can get the any place on the art. Just you can draw your region of interest, and you can get this result from here, the Modis Leaf Area Index with the visualization, and also get here the time series chart. Okay, you can easily access this app using this chart, using this web application, using this link. Okay, and you can also see this is the another web application for the EVI, Enhanced Vegetation Index, and NDVI trend. Okay, you can easily make this trend chart from here, and you can easily access this app using this web application link. Okay, anyone can using this app. So now you can see this is the another things for the Bangladesh precipitation measurement map year of 2020, and I also get this map from the Google Earth Engine platform. And this is the another task for the Dhaka city land surface temperature map year of 2020, and mainly in this time here I use the Landsat imagery. So that's why this resolution is so good, and I also good do for using the Google Earth Engine platform. And this is the another things for the Landcover classification for the whole world in for the whole country boundary of Bangladesh. And here I also use the Google Earth Engine platform, and you can easily access this map for the better view. You can easily access this link, and you can easily get this map for the better view. Okay, and this is the another task for the assessment of the plant field status in Bangladesh year of 2020. So this is the another task for the water quality monitoring. Here you can see this is our algorithm, and I just put this algorithm into the code. Then I can estimate to turbidity of through the NDTI in Hatirji Lake, Dhaka. So this is the another task for the nitrogen dioxide concentration map. So we can concept this map, and we also use here this the Sentinel-5 satellite imagery, and tomorrow session I also try to show you that how you can easily monitor the different types of air quality parameters, just nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, or carbon monoxide. Actually, which dataset will be available in the Google Earth in Sentinel-5. We can observe all of this dataset. Okay, and I also try to show you that in the next session. And this is the another task for the Cropland classification map of Bangladesh. So mainly in this time here I use the non-crop plants, irrigation major, irrigation minor, rainfed. Okay, this classified also done for the multi-sensor remote sensing data using the Google Earth Engine platform. So this is the another task for the plant mapping Sentinel-2 satellite images, and I also try to show you this part, the two more classes when you also use the Sentinel images. And I also try to show you that how you can easily filter the Sentinel-2 images, how you can easily make the NDWI map using the Sentinel-2 images. Okay, and I also try to cover this part in the next day. And this is another things for the night light map of Bangladesh. So here I mainly use this dataset, Google Earth Engine dataset, and use this map. So mainly you can see this is the forest in the hill tracts area and other river area. You can see this is the totally black, so it means that there is the no action take place at the night. Okay, but you can see here this is a major city, Dhaka city or other city. You can see this is the light because it has the activities in the night time. Okay, and this is the another task for the gross primary production of Sundarban. So mainly in this time here I can get all of this data from the Google Earth Engine platform. Then I just use here the TIFF images, and after this I just simply make the map layout in Google Earth in ArcMap software. Okay, and I can get this result, and you can easily use this map in your research paper, as well as also you can use here the different types of presentation work. Okay, so this is the another task for the relationship between the land surface temperature and normalized difference build-up index and normalized difference vegetation index for the Dhaka city year of 2020-2016. And here I get all of this data, all of these things I can get from the Google Earth Engine platform. Then I just make them all of the map layout in the ArcMap software and present this. Okay, so this is the another task for the wildfires in California. So this is the another web application, so you can easily access this web application in here, and you can easily understand the fire detection. You can easily understand in here. Okay, so this is the another task for the monitoring using the Standard Vegetation Index SVI for Bangladesh. So you can also do for the drought monitoring. You can also get here the time series chart of this drought monitoring and make the web application, and anyone can use this application and get this the time series chart, what's the condition of this place of the drought situation. Okay, and this is the another task for the spectral unmixing using the Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly in this case here I use the linear spectral mixing model, and we can also classify here the bare vegetation and water. Okay, and this is the another task for snow cover map of Iceland year of 2018. So we can also make this Google Earth Engine platform. Actually you can do the lot of remotely sensing work using this platform very quickly and efficiently. So this is the another task from the Landcover and land use classification of Habigonj district in Bangladesh. We can also perform all of the things for data processing, everything we will handle our Google Earth Engine platform. Then we can also make the map layout like this map layout. We can make this map layout in ArcMap software. Okay, so this is another task for the crop classification map of Panjab year of 2017 using the Google Earth Engine platform. So mainly when you work with the crop classification map, then you need to use here the field ground truth data. Okay, so just I simply put the ground truth data and train our model, then we can get this classification here easily: rice, cotton, fodder, maize, sugarcane, wheat. Okay, we can easily classify for the crop classification. And this is the another map for the nitrogen dioxide concentration in Dhaka district, and we can also perform all of these things in the Google Earth Engine platform. Then just import as a TIFF format and make the map layout in ArcMap or QGIS software. Okay, so this is the another things for the classified and land cover maps of Bhasan Chor, and we can also classify it using the Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, and this is the elevation map of Bangladesh. So you can also get here the different types of elevation data in Google Earth Engine. Suppose NASA SRTM dataset or other elevation data is available in Google Earth Engine platform. So I simply use here the NASA SRTM dataset for digital elevation model for Bangladesh. Okay, and this is the another for the Bangladesh annual average precipitation. So here I compare the 2-year annual precipitation. And this is the another task for the land surface temperature classification maps of year of 2015 and 2070. Here we can classify some specific area: low, sub-low, sub-high, and high. Okay, and we can do everything for using the Google Earth Engine platform. And this is the another things for the change NDVI detection after Rohingya camp setup. Okay, before and after. We can change there is the loss, a lot of NDVI will be reduced and increase at the some build up area. Okay, year of 2017. Okay, so actually you can do lot of remote sensing analysis using this platform very quickly and efficiently. Here I mentioned some, and we can also do for the different types of remote sensing analysis using this platform. Okay, so I hope if you want, you can also learn one by one, then you can easily practice so that you can easily understand all of the things. Okay, so now if you have any question, you can ask me. Any question, anyone? Any question or any comment? Otherwise our today's session will be end. Any question?
I have a question on, you did a very great interesting research that is more or less similar to what I want to do,
Yeah.
which is to map tomato open fields in the semi-tropical region of South Africa, particularly in the Limpopo province, because 67%
Yeah.
of the tomatoes that are produced in South Africa are basically coming from South Africa. So I basically want to map the areas within this particular province where these tomatoes are found. So I heard you saying that, which I also agree with, that we will need a field ground truth data.
Yeah.
Do I need a field ground truth data for tomato plants?
Yeah.
So
If you want to make the classification for the crop classification, then you need to the ground truth data. You can just make the ground truth data for a specific latitude and longitude of this your crop field. Okay, then we can easily identify here the how much area or how much field will be cultivate the tomato. Okay, we can easily identify it.
Okay, so in other words, that I only need that for the tomatoes, I don't need for other crop types, because in Limpopo there are also, there are adjacent agricultural areas that plant other crops other than tomato.
No need other crops. Okay, so just you can get here the suppose here we can get the some training point. Suppose 100 training point you can get from here the training data from the ground truth data from the field. You can get the 100 training point. Then we can use the model, the 50 training point we can train the model, and other 50 training data we can use for the validation. Then we can check our result. Okay, if our result accuracy is good, then I can accept this model. Otherwise we can also get the other training point. Okay, like this.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, so anyone any question or any doubt? And we also, and tomorrow we also try to attend our class the fixed time, and tomorrow we also cover the introduction to the Landcover classification, and we also work with the air quality monitoring, as well as also we can work with the band calculation for the different types of indices. Okay, so if you have done any question, you can ask me. Otherwise our today's session will be end. Okay, any question or any doubt? And I also send you all of this code link as for your practice purpose, and I also send you all of the video recorded in my YouTube channel so that you can easily access. Okay,
Thanks.
okay, so today is no more, and see you tomorrow. Okay, okay.
Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye, everyone.
Okay.